Cranks engine from under the hood without the help of an assistant. Includes heavy-duty 6-foot oil and grease-resistant leads. Extra large, easy-to-use insulated metal clips eliminate risk of accidental shock. Works on computer-controlled and conventional vehicles. Durable shock-resistant ABS plastic housing features ergonomically designed grip. The INNOVA Remote Starter Switch lets you start or stop your engine from outside the vehicle. Features a durable, shock-resistant housing with ergonomic grip. Includes 6-foot neoprene leads and alligator clips with insulated boots to simplify timing and crank the engine from under the hood. Works on computer-controlled and conventional vehicles. Top reviews from the United States. Great remote. This easy-to-use remote starter really makes things easier when working on your engine and not having to jump back and forth from inside the car to start. Now I can easily adjust my valves, carb, timing and so forth. Great easy tool.